Folks, this is the second video for your fundamental analysis report. So let us go through what we had gone through before. It will have a table of contents like this one, and then these numbers that you have here will be generated upon completion of your total analysis, and that will include 4 parts, and those 4 parts are of course these fundamental, technical, hedging, and investment mindset. So after that table of contents, that you will have executive summary, where you will talk about 6-month investment period and whether you're going long or short, current price, the price at which you intend to get in, and the loss exit point, and then you mention RRR, and then this is the part that you have to talk about. What is your hedging asset? Usually if you are looking at bonds, we are investing in bonds and equities. If you're looking at bonds, then there is a general hedging asset called treasury bond futures. You can apply that, but then again you need to find out what are the specific direct futures. What is the specific direct futures, and for this LQD. And then if you don't find it, then you can think about those general what we call cross-hedged futures. Then you talk about current allocation. After that you need to talk about fundamental analysis, and then these are the crucial points. That is, EST will be coming from demand and supply, and then benchmark it to financials. And then you have to also mention there is another fundamental analysis, and that analysis will inform the demand and supply analysis, and that will come from your risk management analysis. But it just plainly mentions that will inform our analysis from risk management, confirming investment decision, or suggesting hedge. Thereafter we go and describe, and this is basically, you can see a landscape is used totally. Here are the text and then visuals here, and then same thing that can be followed in here. LQD holdings, top 10 holdings. Thereafter you project from bar chart the 6 months performance in, and this is basically your candlestick expressions. Then we have this one, LQD returns, and returns would be basically, you'll talk about 26-week returns, and then you talk about LQD demand and supply. Here I said that we'll give something evidence of excess demand. Here you just give some links, and then we will see from risk management analysis whether this is going to help your conclusion. Thereafter we talk about coronavirus, and there of course you guys have done a great job in getting that thing about what is the impact on coronavirus. What I'm going to now show is I inserted this because we are a university which always say in support of human dignity and common good. So even if in our investments our students need to exhibit basically what I call environmental, social, and government impact of this fund, and then they prove that ESG investing is also a good business. And so all of you are going to talk about this. Let's say you are talking about LQD, then you say, is it ESG compliant? And I will share the document where I will upload the document that will say that yes, it is. So all of our ETFs are ESG compliant. Some are at A level and some are BB level, but those are all investment grade. So that means we are not only investing, we are investing so that it is for greater good. Thereafter, you give your fundamental analysis, and you say the range bound estimates. After the opinion, you just give the expert's opinion, and we have to give the references herein, and thereafter we talk about conditional recommendation, and you can mention your EST again in here. It is totally up to you. Thereafter you go to technical analysis.